Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm super excited to share a quick unboxing of Queen & Company's newest shaker kit, Under the Sea. It's perfect for summer and is absolutely adorable. They really did an amazing job designing this kit. Let me show you everything that is included. So there is a 6x6 paper pad, 24 sheets double-sided paper, and I just love all of these fun designs. Just like all of Queen & Company's paper pads, there are only a few sheets that are very specific to the theme, and then the rest could be used for any time of the year. And even those under the sea themes, you can just use the other side of the paper. So this is a very fun and summery colored paper pad, lots of polka dot, stripes, and some chevron designs, which are pretty typical in a Queen & Company paper pad. There's a lot of tone-on-tone designs that work great for backgrounds, and then you could pair them up with some of the busier patterns. So you'll get 3 of each design. Love this paper pad. And then there is a 4x6 inch stamp set with so many super cute and fun sentiments. I mean, look at that. Sorry you are feeling crabby. Isn't that fun? And this kit is full of dies. So there are 16 steel dies, lots of fun designs. There's 3 over here that form a little mermaid. Isn't that sweet? I love the seahorse. There's a crab, a shark, shell, and fish. There's a little sand dollar. There's a dolphin and a starfish. So there's a total of 9 different shapes that you can put together. And then you'll have 3 sheets of all of the little foam pieces. So you'll have a total of 27 shakers that you can make with the kit. That really is a lot, especially if you consider that the dies work perfectly as non-shakers as well. So you'll be able to just keep making cards with this kit. So I'm just punching out all of the foam pieces so you can see what they look like. Look at that sweet little shark, and there's the dolphin. I won't punch out the rest at the moment. And then you'll also receive all of the pre-cut acetate pieces. That way you can seal in the toppings to all of your shaker cards. And then the super cute toppings are included in this kit. They're very unique. So there are a bunch of different kind of pearlescent looking shells in a rainbow of colors. Aren't these beautiful? Nice and shimmery. So this is the first time Queen & Company has had these little toppings in their kit. Look at that beautiful pink. Kind of has like a hint of gold look to it. And 1 more of the shells. So you'll receive 6 bags of the shells. And then there's 1 bag that has these clear bubbles. Aren't those fun? And then the final 6 bags have what look like the colorful rocks that you'd put in the bottom of an aquarium. So more just beautiful summery colors. I love just kind of the sparkle and shimmer on all of these little rocks. It's a nice gray. Kind of has a hint of purple in there. There's the purple. And then this beautiful blue and green, kind of an aqua color. So you'll receive a total of 13 bags of toppings. So that is everything that is included in the Under the Sea kit. There are a few add-on options available. There's a full bundle. So if you know you want to use this kit again, you can get a bundle that has another full set of the foam and acetate, a paper pad, and the toppings along with the kit. So it's a really good price for making quite a few cards. There's a 3-pack of some diamonds. So it's the purple, the teal, and pink. You can purchase these separately, but the 3-pack is a really good price. This kit, along with all of the add-ons, are currently available on Queen & Company's website. I do have links provided in the description box for all of those items. I can't wait to get started. This is such an adorable kit. And if you've never used a Queen & Company shaker kit before, it is the easiest shaker card you will ever make. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my videos sharing all of the cards that I'm going to make using this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.